I'm starting right over here. We just pull them up like that. Some nice northern lights. So yeah, I can add some more if I want. So we've got some nice, we're getting some nice lights off these. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful. That video I put up earlier of me swooshing, I couldn't believe it. I went to edit a video and I realised how many times I made that noise. Come on, lift that straight up. This one's just blending off. Let's just have that one in there like that. Over there. Okay. There we go. Let's have that one coming front. Like that. So they sort of go back. Let's make a dark colour. So the other night I was experimenting with different colour mountains, obviously. And that was fun. Okay, let's see if I can mist that out just a little bit. See if I can just tap that out down the bottom. Just by tapping you can create some nice mist. Should have started really crimson, but it doesn't matter. There we go, and just lightly bring that up the mountain. It's a special one. Okay, so we're just pulling down here, literally just straight down to begin with. And because it's water, we'll be doing that extra little thing. So yeah, I could even add a bit of pink there. I might do that in a minute, so we'll just see how that goes. So pulling straight down with a very soft brush. 2 hairs and some air. 2 hairs and some air. Straight down. It's one of the most relaxing things you can do actually, is do these lights. So yeah, I've done a little bit of a break there in the tree. We'll see how that comes out. See what I mean? Just there. We'll see how that comes out. It's just an idea. I had a realistic idea. Just pull them down. Look at them. The way that oil paint moves. Pull down a little bit more there. Remember, this is water, so it doesn't have to be the same. Let's go with this one. There comes the swooshing noises. If I'm swooshing, I'm enjoying myself. So yeah, when the live's finished, guys, go and check out my ocean video. The seascape. I braved it yesterday. I didn't do it live. I did it in the daytime. I just wanted to try it first. And I think it turned out okay. Something that possibly could be pretty good if I keep at it. So go and check that out. Let's just do some of this, bring that across. Okay, so pull right down now, really get them blended. So you know what's going to happen to the water. Shall I do it now? Why not? Here we go, guys. We're going to turn this into water. I'm going to go to here and bring the... Got to keep these straight because obviously it's water. Okay. Well, I'm going to bring this from this side. I didn't want to drag too much of that blue. Straight across. And there we have some nice water. I've done a few of them a bit sort of, there we go, not so straight. I went down a little bit and that didn't look right, so make sure you do, if you give it a go, keep this straight. Important because it's water. So yeah, okay. I'm going straight onto the blue. We've got all sorts of things growing in the back there. Just a nice little snowy edge. Little snowy bank. Comes in front of these trees. And you're picking that colour up, so you do need to put plenty of white on. I tell you what, let's have a bit of a peninsula there. That comes out there. Goes around there. Look, you can even pull some of this down, look. Just pull that down. Might change this bit down here as well, because you've got trees there now, so the reflections may change a little bit. Pull this down. And you've got some reflections there too. Swipe across. And there's your instant reflections. This one very light. That's actually kind of perfect. Let's start with this one up here. I just wanted little details of these snow. Ah, perfect fan brushes. Perfect fan brushes. This is a new fan brush. Yeah, they look beautiful in person. Thank you, Mazzy. Thank you. And the scene. This is beautiful. Donna, thank you. Nice to have you here. Beetroot says how much. Check out my shop and that'll give you a rough idea. Obviously, I've got to set this one up. If you want to send me an email, use my underneath my profile on TikTok. You can send me an email. You can make me an offer if you like before I put it up for sale. So there we go. That's some very light. We don't need too much down there. We don't need to go. Oh, this is a beautiful fan brush. It's a very delicate one. A very delicate one, and it's doing a really marvellous job. So I'm just going into the white. Can you see there? I'm picking up the black off the trees as I'm coming back. So keep your brush loaded. Into the blue. Let's go into the blue. That was a film, wasn't it? Here we go, guys. We're going to do this one over here. My fan brush is doing something funny. Hello. It looks like a bottle opener. We're going to neaten some of this up. And just put a little water line in here and there. Let's have some down here, just a little bit of land that we can see. This would just create a little bit more depth, really. Need some more white there. The blue just mixes so nice with the. I think that's all we kind of need, actually. It's just that gives that little bit of extra depth. Yeah, the light looks good on the side of the mountain. Them two sides catching the crimson colour there. And the delicate snow, that was the first time I used that little delicate fan brush. So I was quite happy with that.